12/2021. So maybe I got a call from a new customer. Lady's got a gas furnace, and it's not heating. Natural gas furnace. A couple of towns over, so we're gonna go over there and see if we can get it going for her. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Oh man, another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there, see what's going on with it. Phone ringing off the hook, Mama.
Well, the person that ever told me, just change the battery, that might be the problem. It's like,
Oh, it's set at 62. It might be that you need new batteries.
yeah, I don't even know where it is. I gotta look up in the book, but I haven't, so.
Yeah, it could be the batteries. It's on 71.
Well, I used to work nights, so I had it set to go.
71 and on hold. So let's see if that
I'm
works.
gonna go back up in the morning, you know.
Seems like it's shutting off, so it might need new batteries.
Oh, you did that so easy.
Maybe. Got no lights in here, ma'am?
What, in there?
You got lights in the so I can see what's going on?
In there or out here?
Out here, I mean.
Oh, out here, yeah. I can't see what's going on either, so.
Yeah, it might just need batteries. You got two AA batteries, or should I get some out of the truck?
I don't have any, no.
Okay, let me get some out of the truck. It does have gas because I turned the water heater up. Holy shit, man. Let's see what the hell's going on here. Where's the power? Does it even have flipping power? Firematic, no on-off switch. Let's see if we even have any power coming into this thing. Yeah, there's power coming into it. Could be the thermostat. Yeah, it's probably the thermostat's bad, I bet you. What you want to bet? Let me jump this out, red and white right here. White and red. Yellow. I'm surprised where's the common? The common's not this. The common's disconnected here. That ain't gonna work on the AC. They probably don't even have AC. I don't know why that's disconnected. Probably a bad thermostat. Dead bird in there or something, I wouldn't doubt it. Thermostat's bad. Got a bad thermostat there. I just jumped it out. I don't think she even got heat. She just got heat here. I don't think she's got AC. Got a bad thermostat upstairs. I don't think the fan's kicking in. flipping shit show. Let's check the capacitor. It should be a 15. We'll do the thermostat. We need a thermostat and probably a capacitor. Microfarads. See what we are here. Sorry for the lights, guys, but it's just terrible down here. Working in the fucking dark like an animal. Working like an animal in the dark here. Typical. Let's see what we got for microfarads here. I mean, that should be enough. I think we got a bad motor there. Surprised if we had a critter in there. Let's try it again. I mean, it might just be the back connections there or something. Just from it being bound up, you know. Try it again. See if the motor will start. No, we gotta get another motor for it. Needs a thermostat. Upstairs that thermostat's junk, but the fan wasn't spinning either, so that's an issue. Thing's just down in the flipping damp basement down here. Cobweb City. See if we can get the fan to spin this time. Seemed a little bound up to me. Should be better now. We got our fan speeds on. Basement here. Alright, so we gotta put a new thermostat in for her. I got the common wire here I could use. I don't think there's any AC. Got her going. Yeah, there's no AC in this thing. Strictly heat. Flipping joke. We'll let it run because it's kind of cold upstairs for her.
Probably make more money if they go to somebody's house.
Alright, so this thing here, I'm going to put a new thermostat on the wall here. We tried the batteries, that didn't work. So,
still take batteries?
the new one I could hook up the common with it. The new one I got, it's got a common. So it's strictly heat, it's no AC, correct?
No AC.
Alright, so this one there.
Does that have anything to do with the fan though?
No, it's just, I got it jumped out downstairs. Now listen, the fan downstairs on the blower fan wasn't spinning. So it was kind of stuck from all that dampness downstairs. I freed it up. I checked the capacitors okay. But I'm not saying that fan motor's not going to stop working again, because from it sitting all summer in the dampness, it's working now. But I don't know how long it's going to work for.
And all that digging and all that garbage blowing around out there. It's like, really?
But I'm just letting you know that the fan was kind of stuck. So we're going to hook up the common on a new one, so it'll help you with the batteries. But the yellow don't need to be hooked up, and the green.
So if it doesn't go on again, then I can call you back?
Yeah. But that fan was an issue, but like I said, it was a little bound up. I kind of moved the wheel back and forth and freed it up.
Yeah, that solar is damp, so...
It's damp and dingy down there.
Yeah, we're down on the bottom of the hill. It's a rock slate over there to the quarry, so everything runs down. So...
Yeah, we're going to probably go with a heating and cooling one, just to have the fan, because
I don't know. Don't ask me. I know nothing about that stuff.
It's running down there, but like I said, it's not the greatest.
Okay.
The fan is questionable, you know?
Mm-hmm. I see that's a Honeywell. That's what I had on there before. So all I'm going to be able to do is turn it off and on, is that it?
Yep, it's gonna be off and on. That's what you want, up and down, right? Nothing too spectacular. Correct?
Well, no, well, not really. As long as I got heat. Because like I said, we got window ACs for upstairs, so...
Yeah, you don't have AC. This is strictly just heating, it's not AC.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I like to keep it simple. You ever hear that saying, keep it simple?
I hear you, yep.
Keep it simple.
Good enough of all this garbage in the world already.
I was flipping shares like crazy.
I went to Walmart the other day, there was nobody to check me out, not one cashier.
No, you have to go through the checkout.
So I told the girl, what's going on here? I filled out I don't know how many applications here. Nobody ever contacts me to come to work, you know, I can work whenever now, I'm retired.
Oh, so you work there?
I worked there a while ago, yeah, now I'm retired. But anyway, she's telling me, oh, well, go talk to Teresa over there, the service desk. But if you make out an application, it has to be online. And then they contact you. So
Okay,
no wonder
yeah.
they have nobody to work there.
Everything's online now.
Yep.
Ain't that the way it is, huh?
Yeah, remember the day we used to walk in and fill out an application? They might hire you right on the spot.
Oh, more.
All this crap. It's like ridiculous. And I go home. She's gotta know what to do with this. Yeah, in about 5 years. That's right.
How long you been without heat? How long you been without heat?
Oh, about a week,
Wow.
maybe 2.
2?
Yeah, probably closer to 2. Yeah, because November 1st we
Alright, so we're
back
going to
on.
use the yellow, the blue, and the white. We don't need the green or the yellow.
Today's what, the 12th? Yeah, I guess, well, yeah, about almost 2 weeks. Because we turned it on like November. So, like whatever. But it's
Like I said, that exhaust, the blower motor is questionable, but it's working now. I'm not going to sell you a new one at this point, but it's I just want to make sure we're on the same page, you know. If it acts up again, we might have to change that motor.
Okay, what will be the cost on that? If I...
Well, I'd have to see see if it's I'm sure it's available. I got to get it through.
Generally speaking, is that a real expensive job? Would it be
Well,
better?
I don't want to shoot from the hip here because I haven't even pulled it out and see what the motor is yet, you know.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, if you would think it would be better just to buy a whole new furnace.
No, no, I don't think so. Not at this
No?
point. I mean, at this point you could just, if the fan stops working, we can get another fan for you.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna sell you something you don't need. It. I mean, things crusty, but.
Yeah, but you know, these things have a way of all letting go at once. For some strange
We'll get you going, and then if it breaks down again, we'll get into it deeper, right? I mean, that's the
Okay.
way I am. So we got the red, the blue is going to be common. I'm going to hook that up downstairs, the blue. A little dark and dingy here, but...
Yeah, because I like your thought process, same as mine.
Which is what? Keep it
What's
simple?
easier is better.
Yeah, sometimes. I mean, why be too complicated with shit? You don't need to, right?
Yeah, and that's crazy though. Stuff you don't even need, just to say you
so-
have it.
This one has the common on it, which will save the battery life. We
My
got the
son's
white,
got
the
this-
common, and the red.
My son has this crazy secure. I don't know, but.
So you've been without heat for a week?
Huh?
You've been without heat for a week?
Almost 2.
2?
Yeah. Well, 10 days, I guess. 10 of, what's today, the 12th? Yeah, about 10 days, 11 days. But it really wasn't bad except during the night.
Alright, and then heat there.
So I just pull
And we
out
just go up or down with the heat as you want it. I'm just going to leave it on 74 for now. I think it's going off and off on high limit. Make sure it works before I leave. Set for 74. The motor's not kicking in. The motor's bound up again, see it? I'm gonna have to replace the motor. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
That exhaust fan motor stopped. I gotta replace the motor.
It stops?
Yep. Didn't you hear it? Didn't you hear it binding?
No, I can't hear it too well either, so.
I gotta replace it. I tried to free it up, but it's bound again. I just shut it off for now, but I gotta pull the fan out and put another motor in there.
Okay.
Unfortunately, if not, it's gonna be a problem.
It might be a problem?
It's gonna be. I have to change it, or you're gonna have no heat.
Okay.
To get another motor, I was able to call the Rudd dealer, and they took the numbers and they cross-referenced it over. So see how it's got those screws. It's basically a Rudd Conquest. Luckily, I'm going to change this capacitor too. It's kind of bound up. We'll put another capacitor in there while we're at it. 15, a little over 15. That's better. Alright, I got it all back together. Where I go, it's just like I said, this is a Rudd motor. I wasn't expecting to have to do the fan, but luckily I was able to get it. As long as the fan kicks on, we'll be good. I got the common, the red and the white hooked up. She don't have AC here. There you go. He's running. New thermostat, new fan blower motor, new run cap. Leave all this shit behind. Get out of here.